Hey guys, so I learned a new makeup technique that I want to share with you today, and I have actually not tried this yet. I've learned it, but I haven't tried it yet, so we're gonna try it out today and see how we make out. And it's using eyeliner as an eyeshadow. Um, so first of all, the eyeliner that you choose should be the color that you would want to put in your crease in the outer part of your eye. So it's going to be a bit darker than whatever you use to put on your lids. So keep that in mind. And also, formula wise, you don't want to use anything for an eyeliner that is too creamy because it could migrate, smudge, whatever. So if you have a formula that is, I'm going to say normal to dry, because you don't want it to be too dry because we are going to blend it. So you got to be able to blend it. So you want something that's not too creamy, not too dry, somewhere in between. So today I'm going to use the Ioni eyeliner pencil called Windsor Stone, and it's a really, really pretty purple. I found this at Dollar Tree. I actually even have a backup of this because I love the color so much. And the thing with Dollar Tree is when you buy something there, you never know if you're going to see it again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this I'm going to start by drawing this like that, okay? And you don't have to worry about being too precise about this part, what I'm doing now, because we're going to blend this anyway. Then I'm going to go from the point and I'm going to go up and over like that, okay? And then I am going to put a little bit in this triangle section here, but you don't have to fill it in completely. And then we're going to go over the outside part of my eye. Okay, like that. Then I'm going to take a small blending brush and I'm going to blend in the direction going inward. Because you don't want to blend that way because it's just going to make a big mess. Now, I didn't really know how much to use, so I can see I'm going to need to add more. Because as you blend it, it's almost going to blend it away. But where I've never done this before, I didn't want to put too much on and then not be able to blend it properly. Yeah, so I have never tried this technique before. I can't believe that I'm just learning it now, but I thought it was an interesting idea. All right, let me take a look in my makeup mirror now. Gonna add a little more up here. Now, because I did it the way I did it, that outside part is actually sitting a bit lower than what I would like. So what I might do is just keep some Q-tips handy and some micellar water, because what I want to do is I want to angle this more upward. That's better. Okay, yeah, I don't want it to like drag my eye downward. All right, and I also want to take this up a little bit more. And then we'll blend that. All right, see, now that's more like what I would do when I do my eyeshadow. Okay, now that's not too dark at all. There's going to be a learning curve with this, I think. Now, for my lid shade, I'm going to use this Revlon Colorstay Cream Eyeshadow in Black Currant. How gorgeous is that? Oh my God. And this is a very light color, so I'm going to use a wider shader brush than what I normally use. I found this at Dollar Tree a while back. And I'm just going to put some of that on my lid. This, if you have never tried these Revlon Colorstay cream shadows, they have such a beautiful finish and formula, and when they set up, that's it, you're all set. They're not going to move. You really don't need to use an eyeshadow primer under them unless you have extremely oily lids. So this is quite a soft effect. Look. All right, now let's take a little bit of that same eyeliner and run it just run it under the lash line. I still feel like it's not showing up as much over here. Less is more, you guys, because you can always add more, but you can't take it away if you add too much right initially. All right, that's much better. Okay. Now, well, you know what? I don't normally do this, but I'm going to do the other eye with you because I've already done all of my other makeup, so it's not going to make the video too long, but I want to see what would happen if we start off with more, if I'm going to be able to blend it. Yeah, see, now that's too much. So I guess you do have to kind of do it a little bit at a time. Because once this sets, I'm not going to be able to move it at all. Mm-hmm. All right, it's still blending. That's good. How's the shape of that though? Yeah, not crazy about the shape. So where's my Q-tip? What did I do with it? There it is. Okay. Went up a little bit too high. So this does involve a bit more work, but we'll see how it looks once I'm finished. And I have this in Cherry Blossom too, which is a pink. And the pink and the purples were the ones that I really gravitated to the most from what they have. But they have some more neutral colors too. There's browns and golds and beiges. All right, and the eyeliner. So these are both cool tone purples. When it comes to purples, I feel like it's really important to stick to whatever tone you're working with. So if you're doing cool tone liner, make sure you put a cool tone on your lid, and so on and so forth. All right, so let's curl my lashes. And, you know, it's really important to give your lash curler a chance to work, because I feel like everybody is always in such a hurry that, you know, we curl our lashes a little bit and then we immediately let go. But it's not going to do anything if you don't give it a chance. And then I usually go back and just give it a couple more squeezes at the end. And I'm going to use an Ioni mascara, and it says volumizing and it's black. This is from Dollar Tree. But look at this one. Does that look like volumizing to you? Because it does not to me. I've used this mascara before, and I repurchased it because I remembered really liking it. And I did that before I bought the Wet n Wild So Define that I'm so crazy about. See, this is a nice mascara, but my issue is it's not depositing that much product onto the lashes. So you have to keep dipping back into the tube, which is kind of pain. But if you have the patience to work with this, it is nice. It rained hard all last night, and it's supposed to rain hard all day today. So thank God I went to Walmart yesterday and got some things that I needed. I've been making a ton of changes in the way I eat because of this kidney stone issue. There's something called oxalates in food, and oxalates can be a contributing factor to why people get kidney stones. So the things that are super high in oxalates, I'm just not going to eat anymore, like spinach. I used to eat spinach every single day. Nuts also have a lot of oxalates, and I used to eat nuts every day. I used to put them in my cereal. And what else? Chocolate. Oh, and I only as an adult have I started to enjoy chocolate. So yeah, no more chocolate anymore. So anyways, oh, and tomatoes. So no more Italian food. Not if it's in a red sauce anyway, and I don't like white sauce. So I guess my days of pizza and things like that are over. And wheat also has a lot of oxalates. Now I can eat some wheat products like if I get something that's a mixture of like wheat and um, oat, which you do see breads like that on the shelf at the supermarket, a combination of oat and wheat. So I wanted to get a loaf of that yesterday, and it said on the Walmart website that it was in stock, but it wasn't on the shelf. There were no breads like that available because the only one that I think I saw was oat nut, and I can't have nuts. So anyway, that is the finished look. And you know, I think it's pretty, and I don't know. I think it's a lot of work and trouble to do this because to try to get the right shape with the eyeliner, you'd think it would be easier, right? Because it's an eyeliner, so you can just like map it out to be the shape you want. But I actually find it easier to do that with an actual eyeshadow. Maybe because it's just what I'm getting used to. Maybe I just need more practice because I have seen people do this, but it's been a long, long time since I've seen anyone do this. So I kind of forgot about this technique. But if you have some eyeliners that you're not crazy about and you push them aside and don't use them much, maybe that would be a way to use them instead of neglecting them. But now the one thing I've been not doing this lately is I haven't really been using my setting spray lately because I realized that it was making my hair dirty, and I was having to wash my hair more often because it's pretty hard to not get it in your hair when you do this. But it does make a difference, I think, with your makeup. You know, it sets everything and it kind of merges all the powders and creams and liquids together. And all the products that I'm wearing, aside from what I just used in the video, will be in the description box. So thanks for trying this out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.